What is going on, everyone? This is Jeremy coming at you from Mellow Vapes in Statesville, and today I'm coming at you with a new product that we're carrying in our store. It is the Honey Stick Oil Recovery Kit. Now, this is something a little different. This is something if you have a broken cartomizer or anything like that, or you need a real small needle-like syringe to get into a tight space to get some liquid out. For example, with these cartomizers, we have the Funky Farm as an example. With these, this is CBD. This is 350 milligrams of CBD. Let's say you get most of the way down and you crack the tank, and all of a sudden you don't want to leak everything out. These can be expensive, so you need something to get that out of there. So with this, it comes with a couple syringes. It comes with a couple of the actual tubes themselves. It comes with a propylene glycol and vegetable glycerin 3 milliliter mixer there, and a couple of extra little tip things. But what this will do is you could actually squirt some of the propylene glycol vegetable glycerin mix down into the carto just to kind of loosen up the mix of there, shake it around a little bit, and then you use the syringe to actually just draw the liquid out, at which point you could deposit into another tank or pretty much whatever you'd like at that point. So these are really cool if you're trying to save a little bit of money, get a little bit of use out of something broken, or even if you just hate a burnt out coil and you want to move the leftover liquid from it into something else. It's also perfect for that too. So anyway, we have these here. We'll be carrying them all the time. Definitely you should come check one of these out. I recommend it. I'm gonna get one myself. I know that. Everyone have a wonderful day.